Hey, all the lovely people there, this is Arjun here. So right now I'm here at Marysville, Stevenson Fall, and just walking towards the fall. And this is the one is good weather, one is bad weather. But here in Melbourne, we have a shit weather. All the time rain, clouds, no sun. It's summer, but 15 degree, 14 degree. Right now it's maybe 12 degree. It's sprinklings. You can see the raindrops. And so right behind me is the Stevenson Fall. Look at the falls, bench top. It's pretty huge. Right? Traveling is not always about money. If you think it's cost money and time, it does cost, but you have to be smart and just choose something that makes you happy. And I travel a lot, and it's not because I got a lot of money or I gotta spend a lot of time. No, it's not about that. It's because like how you going through something, I'm going through something. I'm living in this country, and especially the last year, I'm suffering with jobs, suffering with financially things, and so this is what makes me strong. This is what makes me motivated. I feel strong. I feel motivated when I been close to nature, when I come close to nature. So I just wanted to say, if you have a time, get out of your house, be here, and you will feel the change. You're not gonna sitting there, you're just gonna have stress, negative thoughts in your mind, and it's not gonna help at all. So whenever you get a time, just travel. That's what I can say. We are climbing the steps, going up. This is the way. Weather and rain all the time. I think it was raining last night. Have to be careful because you see the dirt, because you don't want it to break your bum, right? This in especially shitty weathers. Dark, so must be lighting out of the trees. It's like a big cave. So finally,
So this is the top of the Stevenson Fall. Fall start from here and all the way it's go down. All the way down.
This is crazy, but this is how falls all the way go down until there, just before we are. This is crazy. This is amazing.